How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see if we find anything interesting. Sounds about right. It's being that kind of day. So what's the problem?
I'm not sure. We've used lately and everything and plunger. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, we're here. I gotta go in and close the door, okay?
Okay, okay, all right.
Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Can you come here for a second?
I'll come in. Oh my god, toothbrush.
Somebody missing a toothbrush?
I got a new one. Yeah, oh my
You
kid.
didn't know where it went?
Yeah. This is 3-year-old. Like, where's your toothbrush?
Frozen.
See? That's been it. Oh, thank you.
Don't flush anything other than toilet paper.
Yeah.
But see this? This isn't toilet paper. So it's not broken down? That's not
It's
toilet.
like paper towel, right?
That's what it looks like.
Like paper towel.
Like brand new. Have I ever been here before?
I think so, right? I think you can take out the brush too.
Oh yeah,
I
that's
think
right.
so.
That's right. I remember that. I thought I remembered.
Yeah, the kids, good.
I know, eh?
All right, guys, there you go. So, I gave her the option to let me know if no, I didn't give her the option. I asked her if I've been here before. She said I have. I didn't really remember, but she said I was. She said I pulled a toothbrush. So we're gonna be letting the office know what we pulled out. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.